My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to swirl text in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a swirl shape, and it's in the custom shape tool, and just select all so you can get it, and it's right here. So I'm going to draw it out. I'm going to draw it in white. And then I'm going to take my type tool and start writing on it like so. Visible. And I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to actually rasterize this layer, and there's your swirled type. My name is Alex, and this is how you swirl text in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.